So we still in Bella Vista Farms, and this is that Risewell builder. We just saw that 1,800 square foot plan. If you didn't see that video, I'll put it right behind this one. But I want to show you this big behemoth behind me. I mean, this thing just looks massive from the outside. I haven't been in, so we're gonna go in together and see what this house looks like. Let me turn you around so you can see where we are in the community. Okay, so we got this street coming down. The builder down that street is Lennar. And then this is the other street that you will come down. But this house is situated right on the corner. And right behind this house is the model. What I like about it is this. You got this green space here. If you have kiddos, if you have pets, this is just a nice extra space that you get to enjoy. But I will tell you something. Look at the driveway. Again, it's one of those shorties. This is very popular in Arizona. You're gonna see this in most new builds. So if I'm you and I'm thinking about buying one of these houses, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my budget to put pavers along this side right here, because you're gonna need a little bit more width to park your cars. Most people have larger cars. Cars are naturally larger these days, and you're gonna need to be able to open the door. Now, coming around the corner to the house, love this setup. Get me out of the rain, give me some shade. Covered front porch slash patio. Oh, how about I get the keys out? Okay, let's get inside of here. All right, so this is gonna be the first time I saw the house, so you're gonna get a first impression. And first thing I wanna do is get some lights on. There we go. Check out this first bedroom. I'm actually not upset with the size. Let's back out a little bit. There we go. I am not upset with this size. When you walk in, you have like this little landing area where you can put stuff. I mean, I feel like this wall right here would be a great spot to put a book bag or bag. And then you have all of that space for the rest of the room. But if you turn around, you have a walk-in closet. Okay, so they got some nice shelving up there. Okay, yeah, that works. Can't complain about that. Coming on over to this other side, this is right off of the garage, so we get a half bath. I'm gonna just close that lid. All right, so nothing fancy here. Half bath, pretty standard. You get that pedestal sink. A little bit of opportunity for you to customize your home. The way this one comes, this is just a blank canvas. So right here, you might want to build out some cabinets to give yourself some extra storage. What kind of garage do we have? All right, we have a 3-car tandem garage, tankless water heater, and then way in the back, we have a water softener loop. Okay, let's get back to it. Not bad so far. Okay, so we saw that first bedroom, and then it goes into a den. Nice little flex space that you can use for anything, any kind of activity, a second TV room, sitting area. And then we pop over to the living room. Not bad. It's, something's up here. Something's up. Okay, so this is kind of pushed back, which I like. And then I see the windows are kind of recessed. So I'm wondering, is this 2x6 construction? We're gonna have to find out. I'll find out if it is. Guys, I say that's a plus. Look at the kitchen. Yep, they did a good job on the kitchen. That is a lot of cabinet space, a lot of storage, huge island, okay? What is this down here? What is this? Okay, so they added a, oops, sorry. So they added storage here. Now I don't like the way that looks. Oh, because that's your power. I don't like the way it looks, but I'll take the extra storage. See what that looks like on the other side. Okay, so it opens on both. All right, hey, some kind of way you got some extra storage here. I'll take that. We have gas appliances. Take that. These are 36-inch cabinets. These doors are massive. They're wide. A lot of space. You got quartz countertop here, tile backsplash. See what this pantry is talking about. I feel like there's a little bit more space in here than normal. It seems a little bit wider, okay? So although it's a standard looking corner pantry, maybe you got just a little bit more storage. I'll take that. I'll take that. Okay, let's head. Oh, first, forgot about this door. All right, the Harry Potter closet. You got a lot of storage, and they gave you some extra carpet to look at. If you look up top, you have a little storage space up there too with a shelf, okay? Yeah, you can probably just open that all the way up. Put a little mini office down there. Okay, we got lights on the stairs. You know, the kiddos love 2-stories so they can slide down them. But for some reason, as I'm clicking the button, it's not turning on. So maybe the fuse connector is off right now, but it is nice to see that there are lights on the stairs. Okay, big loft. Here's that view of the Superstition Mountains. I'll zoom in so you can get a better look. There you go. So that's a nice view to have out of this window. This is something that's going to remain because there are no homes right beside you. In the future, that field over there will be homes. Okay, so since this is the first bedroom off the stairs, let's go here. I'm assuming it's the master. It is huge. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to get this all in the frame, but to kind of give you an idea, that is the space, okay? And then going into the bathroom, yes, we got double sinks. We got that weird spot I don't like. I wish that went all the way over. Decent size walk-in shower. Let's check out. Okay. Okay, all right. I was about to say the closet is small, but you actually have to get in here, and then it's a good size. It's okay. It's really good, all right? It's not a small closet at all. Now, let's get over to the other rooms. So we have laundry on the second floor. That's a must-have these days. We got shelves. You can put in electric dryer here. You can't do gas. You get a window, okay? You even have a view out of your laundry. Oh, this is your Cat 6 box. So this is where all of your Wi-Fi goes. You see they already have it installed, CenturyLink and Cox. So you just call whichever provider you choose, Cox, and that one is the one that will work. You get an extra little linen closet or game closet, whatever you need it for. One of the secondary bedrooms, nice and bright, huge window, okay? Standard closet, nothing fancy there. Huge vanity. Nice deep tub. I like all the black accents on there. And then the last bedroom has a nice little landing pad. This one gets the walk-in closet. Okay, and what's our view out the back? Okay, so you'll have a house behind you, and to the left of me is the builder. What's our view from here? Got a little bit of mountain view there. Let me zoom in so you can see. Look, a little bit of mountain view right on the rooftop, okay? All right. So overall, I think this is a really nice house. We got 4 bedrooms. We have 1, 2, 3 baths. Not bad. 4 bed, 3 bath home. What I like the most about it is that this space up here is wide, so when you go to move furniture, you won't have any awkward turns. And you can actually move in here if it's just you and the family, or if you need to hire a crew, you don't have to worry about them breaking up some walls and damaging things because it's wide enough. I mean, just to give you a shot of those stairs again. They're not steep like you would expect. They're nice and wide, okay? So we looked at 2 plans here. They have 5 plans total. I showed you a 4-bed, 3-bath, showed you a 3-bed, 2-bath. There's something bigger, there's something smaller. So whatever you need, this particular builder will have it. Risewell Homes, and it's in the Bella Vista Farms community, which if you just don't like anything they have here at Risewell, got a lot of other options to see. I'll catch you on the next one.